So, our learning intention today is can I make and use arrays? And they're really helpful when working out the totals of numbers, especially in sort of multiplication. So we use them to find the totals of sums. So again, when we're looking at them, we need to work out how many is in each group. And when we're looking at groups, we're going to be using some different words to groups. We're going to be looking at rows and columns and how they're used when working out, when looking at arrays. So how many groups there are, and then we're going to look at skip counting, repeated addition. Skip counting and repeated addition are exactly the same because you are skip counting, for example, in twos. So you'd be going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And that is the same as repeated addition because you are repeating the same number as you are counting. So if you skip counting in twos, it's 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2.